So for today's video, we are going to be doing a flexi rise set. So this is what my hair is looking like now. I did a braid out like a week ago, and this is what it looks like now. It probably honestly would have stayed, but last weekend I didn't sleep with nothing on my head, so that was the first night. But see, surprisingly, it actually still looked good. But then throughout the rest of the week, I just kept my hair in a bun, and this is what we're working with today. So I got some gel buildup right here. It just looked thin AF, but it's all good. We're gonna fix that. But yeah, so I'm about to go wash the naps, and then I'm gonna be back to get started with the flexi rides. So here I'm just drying my hair with a t-shirt, trying to get out as much water as possible so it won't take as long for the flexi rides to dry. And the products that I'll be using is the doux mousse def, which is like a foam, and to put on top of it is the tgin anti-breakage serum, which I hardly even use that, and then the blue flexi rise. So first I start out by combing the little section after I split it off, and then put the mousse on it, and then making sure, like, you know, I get the mousse on the roots and just like keep smoothing it out, make sure it's super smooth, because if not, they're not gonna come out right. And some of mine probably not gonna come out right, but guess what, it's all good in the head. I'm gonna still be cute, that's all that matters. And then here I was putting that tgin oil on it, which half the time throughout this video I did not do that because I got lazy. But yeah, so just like smooth it out. And then I think I did went back and comb this after I put the mousse on it. But to be honest, this mousse in particular, that junk is hard to like comb out through your hair, so I just stopped doing it. But anywho, I'm putting the flexi rod behind my hair and make sure it's like, you know, super tight. And I'm not just like wrapping it, I'm kind of spiraling. Okay, here, I don't know what I was doing. I was trying to figure out if I wanted to put it in front of the hair or behind the hair. It honestly don't matter, you're gonna do the same thing. But so yeah, I put it behind my hair, and I'm like wrapping but twisting my arm to make a spiral. So as you can see, I'm not good at explaining stuff, but just watch. It's like wrapping but then twisting your arm back the opposite way. So wrapping, twisting your arm back to make a spiral. Not just like a curl, but a spiral. That's the best way I can explain it. I'm sorry. So right here, I actually slowed the clip down so you can kind of see what I'm doing better. So it's the same thing, putting the flexi rod behind the hair, and pretty much, you know how you would wrap your hair around a wand curl to, well, a wand to get like a spiral curl. I'm doing the same exact thing, except for it's a flexi rod and not a wand. So it's just the same thing, spiraling my hair around the wand. So in the next clip coming up, I pretty much, already finished my head, and I'm gonna sit on under this little hoodie dryer thing that I got. And I hope they come out right, because some of them I was like, sis, what are you doing? But they're gonna look good. That's all that matters. But yeah, I'll be back to unravel them, and you can see. So I took out all the flexi rods, and the same oil that I was sort of kind of using at the beginning, I put that in my hands and rubbed it all through the curls or whatever, just to eliminate as much frizz as possible. And then after I get that all throughout the hair, then I'm just kind of breaking them apart. I know some people, whenever they break their curls apart, they wrap it kind of around their fingers to form the curl, so it eliminates less frizz. But honestly, all I did was just kind of pull at my hair, and then some fell out however they did, or I like pulled them apart, and then just kind of style it however you want. I had a hard time styling my hair because I didn't really know how to put it, and then I wasn't sure if I actually liked it. But yeah, this is kind of what I came out with at the end. So this is the completed look. I kind of liked it. I don't know. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.